And so when we think about why we need to be aware of the importance of protein, it's because it's involved in so many processes.
Because you talked about, for example, like your immune system and...
Yeah. As Stuart mentioned, we can't store protein. So whereas with energy, we store it in our muscle tissue, we also store it in our liver, we store it as fat in our fat cells. We have lots of lovely energy stores to tap into when we need them. But if you don't have enough protein in your diet, then essentially we can't really get it from anywhere apart from breaking down our muscles to get that protein. And we do that because the immune system needs protein, because other functions, enzymes, which catalyze all of the reactions in your body are proteins. So what happens is your body then starts to draw protein from your muscles to help with the other processes. You see this a lot, Jonathan, like thinking about the life course in low-income countries where there isn't access to food. The biggest killer for children under 5 is protein malnutrition, because our bodies cannot cope without enough protein, right? And so when we think about why we need to be aware of the importance of protein, it's because it's involved in so many processes. Because of that, our body's amazing at absorbing it from food, by the way. Like, we're super efficient at absorbing protein from the small intestine and like making the most of everything we eat. But yeah, it's essentially a really important part of health generally.
If I'm not immediately getting it from food, I'm going to sort of strip it out of my muscles in order to carry out all of these critical things like fight my cold or whatever it is. And so if I'm not getting that protein, then basically I'm going to strip down those muscles. And so this is one of the reasons that I might lose muscle over time if I'm not supporting